Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. It's Friday the 5th, whatever, or 6th, whatever it is. Anyways, um, it's tree cutting time again here. They're going to be out here to take down that pine tree there that died, so I'm getting everything set up for it. And they're supposed to be here at 8:30 this morning, and so when they get here, they get here. But I did a little work over here yesterday, getting some stuff cleaned up here. And let me just turn this around, and I'll show you what I did. Yeah, so I came here, pushed some of the weeds out and stuff that they got missed, so they got access to it. Excuse me. All right, so this pine tree here is it's dead now. It had been for years kind of dying back, and then in the fall, for some strange, even though it's an evergreen, it would kind of die back, and it would just in the springtime just blossom out bloom out with all the new growth and stuff. But it didn't this time, and I went and made a mark on it here with my chainsaw at 5 foot above the ground. That's where I wanted to cut it off at, because if you look over there, there is a slide over there, and we're looking at getting another one to put over here off this, coming off here for the grandkids. And they're going to be using some of the big rounds over there to put around this to make, stack them up around it, make it like a little climbing structure so they can climb up and come down the slide and stuff. But yeah, so they're going to be over here when they get here and start taking it down. And yeah, so that's what's going to be happening here today. So I'm going to set this up, get it ready, so when they show up, I can just put it on time lapse and you can see them taking it down. So they're done over here. Let's go over there and take a look-see at it. And they cleaned the area up around here really good. Everything going on here. Where's the tree? I can't see here. Sun's shining on it. Let me flip this around here. All right, yeah. So they cleaned up the area here really good. We got a pile of it here and a pile over there. And so what I'm going to do with this, I'm not sure I mentioned it before, but I'm going to cut it to height here so I can put another slide what's over there. I think I mentioned this at the beginning, but I'm going to bring over stuff and get it all taken care of here. My daughter's going to get out here now that there's not so many dead branches on it and take care of the weeds here. They just blew the chips on the ground here, which is fine because the dump trailer motor isn't working. So, and that's really not that much wood chips anyway. So my daughter will use it over here in the garden here. But so that's going to be one less problem possibly of falling and hitting those power lines up there this winter. But has a nice fresh pine smell out here now.